Have you ever wondered how the majestic Himalayan mountain ranges were formed? A question that has inspired countless explorations and scientific quests throughout history. The Himalayas, a marvel of nature, are not just a collection of some of the world's most awe-inspiring peaks, but they also hold a deep and intriguing mystery. These towering giants, reaching heights that pierce the clouds, offer more than just breathtaking vistas. They represent a complex puzzle, a geological conundrum that has both baffled and fascinated scientists for centuries. Their immense scale and dramatic heights are a testament to the incredible forces at play deep within our planet. The formation of the Himalayas is a tale of monumental earth-shaping events, a story that takes us back millions of years to a time when the world as we know it today was vastly different. Now, let's unveil the secrets behind the birth of these majestic peaks. Our story begins with the Earth's tectonic plates. Imagine the Earth as a gigantic jigsaw puzzle, with each piece representing a tectonic plate. These plates, floating atop the semi-fluid layer of the Earth's mantle, are in constant, albeit slow, motion. Enter the main characters of our story, the Indian and Eurasian plates. The Indian plate, once part of the southern supercontinent Gondwana, began a northward journey around 140 million years ago. Meanwhile, the Eurasian plate, a massive slab of Earth's crust, lay waiting to the north. The movement of these plates isn't just a leisurely stroll, it's a journey clocking in at a pace of 4 centimeters per year. That may not seem like much, but over millions of years it adds up. This continuous motion, this dance of the plates, is the key to our understanding of the formation of the Himalayas. With these moving giants set on a collision course, the stage was set for the creation of the Himalayas. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian plate began moving north towards the Eurasian plate. Imagine two colossal giants locked in an eternal struggle. The Indian plate, with a stubborn determination, thrust itself against the Eurasian plate. This wasn't a quick skirmish. It was a slow-motion collision happening over millions of years. As the Indian plate pushed and shoved, it didn't just slide under the Eurasian plate, it was more like a head-on collision. The immense pressure exerted by this clash caused the Earth's crust to crumple, fold, and jut upwards. It's akin to what happens when you push two ends of a rug against each other. The rug buckles and forms ridges. The same principle applied here on a grand scale, resulting in the formation of the most majestic mountain range we know, the Himalayas. But that's not where this geological saga ends. Even as we speak, the Indian plate continues to stubbornly push northwards at a pace of about 5 centimeters a year. Yes, that's right, the Himalayas are still growing. It's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. The continuous pressure exerted by the Indian plate not only sustains the Himalayas, but also contributes to their growth, albeit at a pace far slower than human perception. However, this continuous movement isn't without its consequences. It's the main reason behind the frequent earthquakes that the region experiences. The stress buildup due to the movement of these tectonic plates is periodically released in the form of these seismic activities. So, next time you gaze at the awe-inspiring peaks of the Himalayas, remember the immense geological forces at play that sculpted these towering heights. The Himalayas aren't just a static, unchanging backdrop. They're a dynamic, living testament to the Earth's incredible geological processes, ever evolving and growing, just like life on our planet. And thus, the mighty Himalayas were born and continue to grow even today. So, the formation of the Himalayas is a tale of titanic forces and slow but relentless motion. It's a story that began millions of years ago with the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. These colossal slabs of rock, constantly moving, set the stage for what was to come. The Indian plate, journeying northward, collided with the Eurasian plate. This wasn't a quick, explosive event, but a slow, determined push, a force so immense that it crumpled the Earth's crust, giving birth to the majestic Himalayan mountain range. This process hasn't stopped even today. The Indian plate continues to push against the Eurasian plate, and the Himalayas continue to rise, albeit at a pace too slow for us to perceive. The Himalayas we see today are the result of countless years of tectonic activity. The next time you gaze upon the mighty Himalayas, remember the incredible journey they have undertaken and are still undertaking to reach their current majestic heights.